What is your profit? Hello, this is Reinhard von Hennigs. Or maybe I should ask the question a different way. What do you think is the profit of a company? The management advisory company called Simon Kucher did a survey, asked people in the streets, and the answer is they believe it is 22.8%. So in other words, if your company makes $100, 100 euros in revenue, taking away all the expenses, your profit is 22.8 euros or dollars, 22.8%. In Germany, the reality is 3.4%. Global standard is approximately in the 7% area. So a company which is 10% profitable is rare, almost like a unicorn. Why is there a misconception? Could it be culturally that people just think businesses must be profitable? Why would somebody be an entrepreneur otherwise? Or is it that the lack of information plays a role? Or could it be that the PR of companies speak a different language? Companies are very happy about their sales. Volkswagen versus Toyota. Who is able to sell more cars is a big discussion, but profit seems to be secondary. So if they are the biggest, largest selling company, they must be good. But why is profit in Germany so bad compared to other countries? 3.4% compared to something in the neighborhood of 7% globally. I believe a lot has to do with the German desire to provide top quality. The made in Germany has a price, not only on you as a customer who pays more, but also on the profit. So it's no surprise that Toyota's revenue is double as high as Volkswagen's revenue. What does it mean for you? If you look for quality, buy quality. But if you look for shares, buy different ones, those which have a higher profitability.